Hello everyone, we are the student of 6th Mechanical Engineering. We are here to give a brief PPT on our mini project. The project title is Automated Guided Vehicle under the guidance of Sachin Mehta, HOD of Mechanical Department and Professor M.N. Harkude sir. Main reason behind to make this project is to making automation in material handling process and reduce the time of material handling process in industry. Now we see the objective of our project. First one, to fabricate the AGV which can move in an industry path without the intervention of human control. Second one, to demonstrate to use of robotic arm to unload the material at the workstation. Third one, to add a safety features to the AGV like as automatically stop the AGV when there is an object of human on the path of AGV is gives the buzzer and notify the worker. Now we study the research methodology of our project. This project is involve the design and fabrication of prototype of AGVs. This project is divided into different modules for the simplicity achieving the task. The AGV is fully functional with the help of the following component. First one, sensor arrays. We know that the sensor is a device which measure the physical quantity and convert into the signal which can be easily read by the instrument. Here our project we use the infrared TRX sensor. The task of the sensor is follow the line or path of the industry of floor. Second one is a microcontroller. We are used Atmega 328 microcontroller with the Arduino firmware. A microcontroller is a small computer on a signal integrated circuit containing a process core, memory, programmable input-output peripherals. Third one, a drivetrains. A drivetrains consist of DC motor with the gearbox to provide a necessary torque to move the vehicle. Fourth one, collision detection. The AGV is cooperates with the feature of safety to the worker. The AGV involves the sensor which detects the obstacle in the path. When the object comes in the path, the AGV gives the buzzer or notify to the worker. And this is the block diagram of the AGV. It gives the conceptual idea about our project. We study the principle of operation of AGV. The AGV works on the principle of line following. The sensor mounted beneath the AGV. The AGV detects the presence lines of the industry floor. This done by the using black or white color floor. As we all know that the black color absorbs the entire radiation incident on it. The transmitter from the sensor transmits the radiation. This radiation hits the ground and reflects the radiation. The radiation received by the receiver. This output data is fed to the microcontroller, which process and signal is sent to the vehicle drivetrains to navigate along with the path. Then the AGV start moving to the desired position. While the moving the AGV, the obstacle comes in the path. It gives the notify the buzzer